What's up, YouTube? It's Kelvin here. In this video, I'm talking about how to make money online, e-commerce. Before we start the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. How to make money online, e-com. So first, you want to create a store that converts, simple, black, white, blue, black, white, green, simple color, simple, it loads fast, have a great product. Make sure you tested it works and all that. How does it get straight into it? You start off with Instagram influencers, shout outs if you want. Post a lot on TikTok, organic growth. You want to aim for viral videos, or you do TikTok ads too, because it's bang for buck. It's cheap. Probably in the future if you need it. Also, you want to do Facebook ads, remarketing, target to those TikTok ads, like people who add it to cart and all that. You could use the pixels already on the page, or you could use that to retarget to them after. So it's retargeted. It's like you know how much you paid to get somebody to add it to cart on TikTok could have been cheaper than what you would have paid on FB because of the auction, the other people paying for getting their spot put on feed against yours. It's gonna make it cost more and more people. So if you use TikTok and then retargeting on Facebook, it made it more efficient. You could use Google Ads to do the same concept. Retargets people who like added to cart from TikTok ads on Google Ads. That's important. Have upselling apps, email sequence apps, all of that. Increase your backend funnels mainly. Have a scaling strategy. This is important. You want to cut your losers, keep your winners, and duplicate your winners in the testing phases. You can use OpenShot to create the video. Facebook ads library to see people in your niche ads. You can look it up on AliExpress, YouTube, many even pictures. You just put it in OpenShot, Premiere, put it together, all together, and then you can put text, call to action. Like you like, wow, you know, this amazing product, yeah, like features and benefits of it, and then put a call to action, like saying something like, get it, discount now, limited time offer, something like that, right? Oh yeah, also you guys want, I'm offering coaching. It's a limited time offer. Check it down below. And then after that, I'll be offering my consulting program, which is my own program. And after later, much later. I'm not even right now. Anyway, so yeah, you wanna uh do your own books and cut your losers and keep your winners and duplicate your winners. TikTok guys are a bang for a buck. You start there. Times right now. This is one point. I'm giving updated methods. So times right now. And then you retarget FB. Um yeah. Most of my videos I'm gonna just aim to solve your problems, and then at the end I'll probably go into like giving value, my offering coaching. That's that you want me to help you grow your e-commerce business, consult you start a business, how to find. And you want to have a coaching call, see where I can assess your situation, where your goal is, and what your problem is, and how I can advise you what you should do so that you can get there and all that. You can book a coaching call with me, and I'll go through with you. And yeah, that's what I'm offering right now, limited time. Like years from now, I'm not offering that. So you take advantage of that right now. See, that's my rant. Um, so yeah, you want to have a clean site, everything simple, find a winning product, winning marketing, great quality, everything, and Yeah, cut losers, keep winners, duplicate winners, and increase your back end. Yeah, I hope you guys found this useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe.